Hi friends, Dan the Man here. Welcome back to the channel. This is Dan the DIY Man today, and we're going to be looking at Wonder Flavors Sour Blue Raspberry Candy. Stick around, stick around. Alright, welcome back to the channel. Sour Blue Raspberry Candy. I'm going to go ahead and change up the way I've been doing my single flavor tests, okay? I'm going to take a page out of DIY Downunder's book. What she does is one concentrate per video, and I think that's brilliant, mainly because if y'all, let's say you like what I had to say about a particular concentrate, now you can just go and look up that concentrate and not try to find it in a 15-minute long video. It's going to be anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes, not even 5 to 8 minutes maybe, and it'll be about the flavor. So let's go ahead and get into it. Nice. At 3%, it's more of a sour blue raspberry candy to me, but I definitely am not going to be vaping it as a single flavor. It needs to be in a recipe. It needs other concentrates around it. It needs friends to hang out with. It's not a loner. It's very difficult to describe, but if you're looking for a sour candy to go in with any of your whatever you're trying to do, like a blue raz, yeah, give this a go. With the sour apple, maybe it's gonna be a candy profile, but man, I would give this a go. Give it a try, man. Sorry about that. Man, that is a very tasty mix. I went ahead and took the sour blue raspberry candy and mixed it with Blue Raspberry Taffy by Nick River and a Blue Raspberry by Nick River. I had some extra left from when I tested it, what, a month ago. The video's up. I still had some left. I mixed it in there, and I also had some Flavours cotton candy that I put in with it, and bam, I've got a new recipe, y'all. Excuse me. Those barking spiders are really kicking my ass. Yeah. Those barking spiders, they got the worst smell. They got bad breath, and it's, anywho. Man, I came up with a fabulous recipe. Wow. I'm excited about it. So that's one of the things that you can do to test, see how flavors work together. You mix some of your testers together, and I found out that I am not into the sour blue raspberry candy by Wonder Flavors as a single flavor, but you put it in some other mixes and it's darn fabulous. Now, earlier when I mixed it at 1, 2, and 3%, and I said it tasted like grape, normally I would have never have used it. I'm not sure that's the way to do it for me because I don't like grapes, and I would think that I wouldn't put it in a mix at that percentage. But I will, and I did, and it turned out wonderful. It doesn't taste like grapes. That's why you gotta mix flavors together. That's why you gotta take notes and see what you like and what you don't like. Okay, real quick here. I feel like I didn't explain that very well. You will get concentrates that you don't like as a single flavor. But when you put it with something else, it's good. You end up liking it. Now, you also will get concentrates that you know you just won't like, period. And that's something totally different. Like, for instance, this sour blue raspberry candy. I don't like it as a single flavor. But I knew that when I put it with something else, I was going to like it. Actually, I didn't know that, but I had a pretty good idea. And so I tested it. I put it with other flavors and found out that I do like it. So, even if you think you're going to hate it, give it a try before you just give up on it.